See once the list of attributes what we used in the last example. SRC, that's nothing but an source. So it should contain your image location or address. Which image you want to display, that image location or address should be displayed in SRC. Next one, this is the width of image and this is the height of the image. If you have not specified any width and height, sir, image is displaying with original size. What is the original size, sir? We don't know that one. That depends upon your downloading. Next one, title, to provide some additional information about your image. Next, ALT, alternative text. By chance image is unable to load for any reason, we want to display some message to user, so that message is this one. Next, we are applying some CSS styles on image. Last 2 days back I already said HTML with CSS both moving like this. So topic wise, on the spot we are covering some of the CSS settings or attributes, right? First I am going to showing so this is the image, animal image or previously downloaded picture. For this animal image, we want to apply some box. Where is this one? So this one we want to apply some small box in the sense border. I want to apply the border. Check it now, is there any border for your image? No, we don't have any border. So I want to apply the border, sir. Border nothing but this is border. On a whiteboard available, a brown color strip is there. This brown color strip is called as the border. So how this border comes for our border, whiteboard. Similar type of borders we can set for images also. Otherwise in our houses or in our home, or grandparents, 4 grandparents photos available. Photo border is there. So like that I need a small border for this picture. So how to set that borders are? For that we have a special CSS attribute. The name of the attribute is border only. Attribute name is border only. First I'll explain a small information about the border, then I'll implement in the program. Border, it's a CSS attribute. What is the purpose, sir? To draw a line. To draw a line where, sir, around your component, around HTML element. Not only for images, sir, for every HTML element we can draw this line. For example, previous topic, some heading available. I want to draw the box for heading, sir, possible. Or some paragraph is available. For the paragraph I want to set the box, sir. Yes, it's possible. For paragraphs, headings, some other tags as well as images. Or why you are explaining in this situation only, sir? Borders more suitable to images compared to headings. Compared to headings, its images more attractive and more suitable. So that's why in this situation I am covering that one. It's not applicable to other tags. Images only supported. Don't think like that. It's a wrong thing. One small note also I am giving here. See that any CSS attribute, we can apply all HTML tags related to body. HTML body is there. Body inside, what are the tags there comes? For all the tags we can apply the CSS attribute. 100%. There is no limitations, there is no restrictions. So how to use the border, sir? Border colon. First we have to type the thickness. thickness we have to type, how much line you require, size of the line, 1 pixel, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 100%, 100 pixels, thickness of the line we have to specify first. Next is sir, style of the line, which style of line required, are straight lines are, dots 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 are, hyphen 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 are, double lines are, any 3D lines are, that we have to specify. How many styles we have sir? We have total 8 styles, 8 varieties of lines we can draw. And next color of the line, with which color you want to draw the line, then close it. So this is the CSS attribute. Order followed by thickness of the line, style of the line, and color of the line. This all the information if you give it around your image, it's going to drawing a line like as our cricket ground boundary line is there na? Like that one line is drawing. Style equals to border. Why style comes suddenly sir? For CSS styles we have to use style compulsory. If you want to implement the CSS styles or you want to develop the CSS style attribute is compulsory. Approach 1 no. Or if you want to go for the second approach sir, come to the top of the program and here write the style tag. One of that compulsory required as per our earlier expressions. I already explained sir, remembering or not I don't know and I don't need also. If you are interested, try to remember. Not interested, leave it. In some phases question marks are coming. A question mark, it is visible to my eyes. Border colon 5 pixels, thickness of the line. And which type of line I require sir? I need a solid line. Solid means straight line. And what is the color of the line sir? Red color. So for that image we'll get a small frame like yes, photo frame like that. Line not visible clearly sir. Increase the thickness 15 pixels. Now clearly visible. Line now it's clearly visible. Which color? That is also your choice. Red color you don't want. I need blue color sir. Okay, go for blue color. Next, thickness your choice sir. Color also your choice. What about the line style sir? Line styles 8 models available. 8 models, 1 model compulsory you should follow. But what are the 8 styles sir? One is the solid, second one is the dotted, third one is the dashed, fourth one is the double line, fifth one is the inside, sixth one is the outside, seventh one is the groove, eighth one is the ridge. These are the 8 varieties of lines, borders. Anybody can you say 8 models? Anybody can you repeat 8 models names? 8 models names. First one, I expected. Second one, dotted. Third one, dashed. Fourth one, double line. Double. Fifth one, inline. Not inline outline sir. Inset. Not inline. Inset. Attribute. Rickshaw. Are you? So the different styles I am going to typing here. See that. First one is the solid available. Second one is the dashed. Fourth one is the dotted. Sorry, third one is the dotted. Fourth one is the double line. Double line. Fifth one is inset. Inset means internally line comes with the 3D opposing. You will like this exactly. Edge available. This is inset. 3D opposing. And the same it will comes outside also. That is called as outside. It's not inside outside. Inside to outside. So next we have one more also, that is groove. Next we have one more also, ridge. And next one more also available, that is none. I don't want any border, sir. Go for none. There's some tags by default border is activated, but image tag border not available, so we are activating. Some tags they comes automatically with the borders. That scenario we doesn't like the border, sir. You can disable the border. So none means no border, borderless. None means balance 8 models are these. So any of this model we can go for. That is your choice. Suppose I am going to using some insets, sir. We'll get some different border like this. It's almost look like as your previous one, sir. No, sir. Maybe the color problem. Upper side dark blue is available, lower side light blue available. Observe that one. Not observed, huh? On top of the dark bottom light available. See that. A half frame dark blue, half frame light blue. Here also clearly visible, sir. Not visible, huh? And you need the 3D effect, sir. Observe in corner. If you observe here in corner, a 3D effect also available. Okay, when you are running the programs in your systems, observe that one. Some projector problems also available, color problems. Full 3D border. Observe a full 3D border. Like this. Okay, these are the different styles of the border. Which one you require, go to that one. Next option. Basically image edges, observe images. Sharp edges are available. Obviously our photos edges are comes sharp edges only. But I don't want the sharp edge, sir. I need the rounded edge like this our mobile, sir. Curves available in edges. Curves are required, sir. Yes, it's possible to display in curves also. So how to display that one, sir? For that we have one more special option, that is the border radius. Border radius. The borders are, then we are cutting something. This is called as the radius. That gives the curved edge of your 4 corners. 4 corners will get the curves. Border hyphen radius. It's also CSS attribute. So to display HTML elements with curve. With the curve. How many curves is comes, sir? 4 edges curves comes by default. I don't want 4 edges, sir. You can go for which edge you are interested that one. If you are not given any special instructions, how our mobile 4 edges curves is comes, like that it will comes. No, you need sometimes only edges, some sides I don't need curves, sir. That also you can inform clearly. 100% it displaying the curve based on your instruction only. How you are given the instruction, output also comes in the same manner. Curved edges. So how to use this one, sir? Border followed by radius, colon, how much curve you require, angle we have to specify. In terms of pixels. This angle, sir. The angle we have to specify in terms of pixels. So suppose n pixels I am writing only in single measurement. What happens, sir? Same pixels applying all the four corners. So four corners, same pixels, same size. Four corners, same size. No, sir. Two corners, one size, another two corners, another size required, sir. Diagonally. But same attribute we can use in another format, sir. So the x-axis, the y-axis. X-axis, how much curve you require, that you have to mention. Y-axis, how much curve you have to require. Actually, the first diagonal, second diagonal, sir. For your understandability purpose, I am using the x and y pixels. The x alphabet, how many lines we have generally? Alphabet x, how many lines we have? Two lines. One line forward bending, one line backward bending, right? The first measurement to forward bending radius. Second y pixels is there, na? Sorry. The first measurement to backward bending measurement. A y pixels is forward bending measurement. Diagonally applying the sizes. So forward bending, backward bending and forward bending. Total 4 edges available. One diagonal, 2 edges covering, another diagonal, 2 edges covering. So first diagonal edge, how much, sir? This is. Second line diagonals available, that is how much measurement, sir? This is the measurement. Can I go for the 4 edges, 4 measurements, sir? That also possible, sir. Your choice. So two corners comes with x pixels, that is forward, backward bending, and two corners comes with y pixels, that is forward bending. Now see the implementation here. So one more picture I am going to display here. Another animal. Now these edges I want to cut it. So go to the diagram code, apply the style, border, hyphen, radius, colon, 20 pixels. All 4 corners are 20 pixels curve I am going to cut it. So after that, you will get the picture like this.
నీ అమ్మ ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఇంక కొత్త మైండ్ సెట్ లేదా ఆటో బాడీ కావాలి కాబట్టి
Now observe the image. Corners, especially corners. Curve. 4 corners, same curve. The curve not visible, sir. What is the measurement?
ఆగట్లేదు.
Put with curves. All uniform curves. 4 corners, the same curve is available. We have 4 corners, the same curve is available. I need different curves, sir. I'm taking the same picture once again.
వాడు బాడుకే అయిపోదు.
So go to here.
ఇంకొకదానికి ₹20 ఆయిల్ పెట్టుకొని
One side 30 pixels required. The backward diagonal. Forward diagonal I need 70 pixels.
ఎవరు తీసుకుంటాడు ఇక్కడ? ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు తీసుకుంటారు. వాడికి ఆల్రెడీ ₹100 అయిపోతుంది.
Observe this one.
వాడికి వచ్చేది ₹20.
Backward diagonal 30 pixels, forward diagonal 70 pixels. Curve clearly difference available. Observed or not? Now we have less curve, sir, here, but here we have the more curve. It depends upon your measurement only. You can increase more, no problem. This is 70, this is 150, sir. More curves comes
ఇప్పుడు స్మెల్ వస్తుంది.
and different shapes also form.
దాన్ని ఎక్కువసేపు ఉడకబెట్టారు
Next,
కదా,
can I display the
అందులో
picture like
ఆపేసి
this
ఉంటుంది కదా,
curves instead of like
చాలా
oval
చెత్త
shape
వాసన
or
వస్తుంది.
circle shapes, sir? On a cricket players profiles photos
మొన్న దెబ్బ
also
తిన్నాం
the
మేము.
circular shape available. IPL గానీ నార్మల్ క్రికెట్ గానీ players photos all are circle shape available. So can I display this squirrel also in the circle shape or
అది కూడా తొందరగా
possible same
పొందుకోవాలా.
property? How so circle is comes? Circle means ఏంటది? Perimeter, అది కాదు రేడియస్
నిన్న ఎందుకో తిన్నా.
parameter, diameter. Okay, diameter by half if you take it, sir, automatically circle shape is formed. Now while drawing of the shapes, diameter available, no?
ఓకే.
Diameter 100 pixels available, sir. If you take the exactly half, sir, automatically circle shape is formed. Mathematics say, see that? Currently image size we don't know exactly, so that's why I'm giving them my own image. Otherwise you can go for like this. But radius you have to give exactly half of the diameter. Why, sir? Radius formula that only kada. Radius equals to diameter by 2, or diameter equals to radius into 2. మా ఊర్లో అంతే. ఇప్పుడు what is the diameter? No idea. Image diameter we don't know. But if you know the image diameter, radius specification is possible. But image diameter 500 available, sir. Radius 250. Image diameter 1000 available, sir. Radius 500. But image diameter, no idea. Size also I'm not remember. That's why what to do, sir? Simple formula 50%. Direct formula is there. 50% diameter, 50% radius. If you know exactly size, that size by 2. If you know the size exactly, size by 2. Otherwise, we do unknown kada. So take the 50% of the diameter. How much available diameter? Exactly dynamically calculating the half of that one. If I given 40% or 60%, 60% waste. 60% not available radius. 50 a highest value. 50 below you can go for anywhere. If I given 40% or 35%, sir, circle place some oval shape is comes. Slight oval, not fully circle. Not possible. So the rounded rectangle shape is comes. Will increase some more. Semicircle. So exactly circle like this one. 50% of the diameter. Will get the circle shape like this. So cricket photos displaying like this. Cricketers photos, profiles photos. But now circle okay, sir, it's looking good. Now can I attach the border also now, sir? The border you explained separately, circle you explained separately, both combining, sir. Why not, sir? Last example, see that width separately used is SRC separately used. But one final example, we both combined also. Attributes, any number of attributes we can use at a time, that is not a problem. How many attributes you require, combine all the attributes. Final output comes with all these mixing. Mixed fruit juice. You know, one attribute only we have to use, that rules not available. Okay. These are the sum of images knowledge. How to display the images. Now I think third image you remove one, fourth image, sorry. You want to display this fourth image at that time, you should be connect to net. Otherwise in this place image not displaying. Because this is the live image.
అవి చచ్చిపోయినట్టుంది.
And moving to the next topic. So what is the next topic, sir? Hyperlinks. Tag name, anchor tag. So name of the tag is A and concept name is the hyperlinks. One of the important topic of HTML. How, sir? In HTML, what is H stands for? Hyper. Current topic that only, hyperlinks. So right now we are discussing about this H, hyperlinks. So maybe you remember the definitions. I think hyper means navigating from one web page to another web page. How to navigate from one web page to another web page is our current topic. So we are moving from one web page to another web page. Another angle, sir. We are opening the other web pages from our program. Meaning same. First web page, some web page is open. When you click on this web page, sir, you are jumping to next page. That is the current concept is this one. The websites mandatory thing for us are links. When you click on the links, users compulsory you are moving to the next page or next website or something. So tag name is A tag, sir. Name of the tag is A. This is A stands for, sir, or full form of A, anchor. Full form of the A is anchor. Anchor means, sir, anchor means ante Anasuya, Rashmi, Sumakka, Kapil Sivalo, Kapil something ever anchors.
కరణ్
Anchors kadamma. As per my expectation, Telugu boys, you are fan of somebody Anasuya, I know that one. Somebody you are fan of Rashmi also, I know that one. Girls అయితే maybe Sumakka, Jansi, something. So these are all anchors, sir. Why, sir, that anchor, this anchor matching, sir? Because both duties are same only. That anchor meaning, this anchor meaning same. What is the exact meaning of anchor? I don't know what you are thinking. My point of view, anchor means they're representing something. Yes, that is the exact meaning of anchor. Some event is going on, or some function, or some occasion, they want to present that one. So this person is representation of that concept. Whatever it may be, a sad function, a happy function, a event, opening, or something. So every anchor they are representing something. Then only we are calling those are the anchors. Here also in our programming also anchor. Every anchor tag is representation of some other program. When you click on this anchor tag, we are jumping to the next program. So if spelling same, meaning also same. So what is the use of these anchor tags, sir? Anchor tags are used to create hyperlinks. Anchor tags are used to create hyperlinks. What is the use of hyperlinks, sir? Hyperlinks are used to move from one web page to another web page, or one website to another website. Page to page moving and automatically website to website also moving is possible. Proper address required, sir. Address is available. We can jump from any place to any place. That is not a problem. So repeating the point once again, A is a tag, full form of tag, anchor. Anchor tags are used to create hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are used for navigation system. But there you said moving, sir. Moving and navigation. Moving nothing but a navigation only, sir. So Amirpet to Kokatpalli route map. You don't know Kokatpalli where it is. You want to go for somewhere. Google Maps opening up. Kokatpalli destination, source Amirpet. We'll get the navigation or not? In navigation, what you are doing, you are moving from this location to that location. Here also, we are moving from one web page to another web page. Next, when these links are going to open the next page, sir, when it is moving to the next page, sir, when our user click on that hyperlink, when our user they press on that hyperlink, we are jumping to the next page. So whenever the user click on that hyperlink, it moves to the specified page or it jumps to the specified page. Which page, sir? That we have to mention in the program. Anchor tag, some attributes are come, sir. Yes, last session we used img tag displaying the image. Which image? Which image is displaying img tag? Your image or my image? Address, so which image address you are writing, that image is going to display. Now this is also moving to the next page, sir. Which page? In that attributes, next page address available. What is your next program and where it is available the program, that clear information available in anchor tag. So when you press on this link, that address is activated and you are moving to that location. This is generally process. Next, while moving from one web page to another web page, the both pages should be present in the same website as are. The one web page to another page I am moving. But the first page is second page. Nothing but an source and destination. Both pages should be present in the same website, sir. No rules, sir. That is your last point. Destination page is sometimes available in the same website or sometimes available in the another website. Source page, destination page, 3/4 means 70% of the scenarios within the same project available, same website only available. Or 30% of situations, source one project available, destination another project available. Some scenarios, both we need, sir. Which one is useful, which one is waste, sir? That is a useless sentence, sir. Both we require. Source page, destination page means I already highlighted the Google address. Source, destination available or not a Google Maps. Source means starting page, current location. Destination page, where you want to go. But what we are saying, one page to another page we are moving. One page what, sir? Source. Another page is destination. The first page is source, second page is destination. So these two pages sometimes available within the same project or same website. Sometimes two different locations also available. The purpose of the web page deciding, not by Shivakumar. But both options are available. That is I am saying. Next, how can recognize or how can identify it is anchor tag or not, sir, or it's a hyperlink or not, sir? First, if you identify it's a hyperlink, then only you are pressing. If you are not identified it's a hyperlink, sir, we are not trying to press it. So how can recognize it's a hyperlink or not, sir? For that we have some symptoms, sir. Okay, corona symptoms, how it is available, hyperlink symptoms also available like that. So these are the three symptoms. A circling blue color line inside we have some. Generally anchor tags are displaying with blue color. In general, every anchor tag comes with a blue color. Observed previous all programs output comes in black. So first time color. H2, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, paragraph tags, label tags, span tags, all are displaying with black and white only. This is the first time blue color it will comes. So every hyperlink initially displaying with the blue color, plus underline is also comes, plus a hand symbol also comes here. Hand symbol is also comes. With this one you are going to pressing like this. Observe together this symbol, so many websites. This is hyperlink representation. Whenever you got this hand symbol, that is hyperlink anchor tag. What is the purpose, sir? For pressing. When I press, flying to the next page or next website. But some websites blue color not available or underlines not available or something, sir. Yes, here they are customizing by using CSS. Recently also we tried one small attempt to. Heading tag comes in black, but we tried to display in red color, I think. Paragraph also comes in black, we tried to display in blue color or something. That is we attempt to. But coming sessions completely we are discussing colors, how to apply, etc., etc. Like that, anchor tags also by default color blue. But some websites black color available, some websites yellow color available, some websites orange color available. Depends upon the developer. Possible, sir. We know that by using CSS we can customize anything or not. If you want to make any changes related to your tag, CSS is the only option. Everything we can change by using CSS. So many websites they are customizing. Some websites say that they are not customizing, continuing like that only. See that example. So what is all this? Languages. Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, something languages available. So generally we are calling those are the languages, but actually those are the all anchor tags. Anchor tags. The blue color available anchor tag sir. No. Three. Blue color. What we have? Underline available. And symbol also available. Three qualities matching. It's anchor tag. How can say an anchor tag, sir? If I click on this one, Telugu version is going to open. Right now we are watching the English web page. Google's English web page you are opening. If I click on this one, sir, Google's Telugu web page is open. ఈ భాషల్లో అందుబాటులో ఉంది. నేను అదృష్టశాలి. సెర్చ్ ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది తెలుగు. హిందీ సార్, you can go for Hindi also. It's separate program, sir. Every link is a separate program. When you click on that language related code executing and displaying the output in this one. Possible, sir. Recently I explained that HTML language equals to English I said. Remember? HTML tag lang equals to English. That time I explained that we can design with any other languages, how to just inform and write the code in the appropriate language. The language changing option this one. So all these are the hyperlinks. Hand symbol, underline, blue color. We'll go for Amazon, sir. Bestseller, mobiles, today's deals, customer service, electronics, books, Prime. What is, sir? Anchor tags here. All are anchor tags, hyperlinks. But it's different colors, sir. The Amazon developers, they like that color, grey and white color. The grey, not black. A box also designed. Hand symbol is there again. The leg symbol also. Design your own icon with the leg shape. That one set as your cursor.